An ATG system is crucial for terminal automation management in terms of tank inventory management and custody transfer for bulk liquid storage. Terminals can be benefited in many profiles. Most common are ensured objectivity and precision of instruments, enhanced operational efficiency, lower labor expenses. The BJLM 80H Servo ATG system is a perfect solution developed to meet all those requirements for bulk liquid storage. It consists of a servo tank gauge, a communicator, and ATG software. It measures the product level, temperature, density, and oil-water interface and conveniently calculates the volume and mass. Here is how the system works. Usually, the displacer stays on the surface of the product and collects the level data. When the product level goes up or down, the displacer will stay at the same height of the product level. When the product level reaches its high limit or low limit, the servo tank gauge will release an alarming signal, as preset by the program for safety purposes. After receiving a command to conduct comprehensive measurements, the displacer starts moving down and sensors inside, which start to measure the temperature and density of the product automatically at several heights, each spot for 2 to 3 minutes. The sensor will precisely capture the temperature and density data and transmit them up to the servo gauge via wireless communication. After finishing the multi-spot measurements of the temperature and density, the displacer keeps going down. When the water probe contacts the oil-water interface, it will capture and transmit the water level to the servo gauge immediately. Upon the probe has passed through the silt and arrived at the bottom of the tank, the actual height of the tank is generated. The long probe ensures the displacer always suspends above the silt to prevent the displacer from being contaminated. The displacer will automatically return to and keep floating about the surface of the product after taking the measurements. Next, the servo gauge will do the calculation. After manually importing the tank capacity data, we can easily retrieve the volume and mass data of the product in the tank. These will be operated on the monitoring platform remotely and achieve the management of terminal inventory management. Besides the cable-based communication, there is optional wireless communication between the servo gauge and ATG software to facilitate the installations in demanding environments. Comparing with traditional approach, the BJLM 80H Servo ATG system has the following remarkable features. Its advanced and integrated designing is a revolutionary replacement of the traditional combined ATG system. This innovation has simplified both installation and commissioning procedures and greatly lowered the costs of operations and maintenance. With its high-precision resonance mechanism, the density sensor inside displacer directly contacts the liquid to acquire density data. This outraces the traditional approach with better guaranteed authenticity and precision. This advanced integrated designing also minimizes the possibility of malfunction throughout the system and rules out unstable operation caused by excess dispersed fault points of the traditional approach. Joyo M&C Technology Company Limited has been fully dedicated to innovating and exploring of cutting-edge technologies and manufacturing high-end quality metering and control products. It will stick to its responsibility and create higher value for its users worldwide with professionalism.